Socket number 17. I can't take this one off now. I don't have those special equipment, tool what they use here. We'll also check the manual, and Honda says you can skip it for one time with your oil change. It's not recommended, of course, but there is no other choice for me at the moment, so I'm going to leave the filter there. I'm going to purchase the right tool for this, and next time we'll do it the right way. And we are using 0W30 for this engine, 3.5 liters. Now let's run this car for about 15 seconds and we'll measure again our oil level. So your markings are here. This is your minimum, and you have here your maximum. So somewhere in between on the maximum side is okay. So we are currently at minimum level. Let's add some more into it and check again.
Okay, let's check again.
Now we are somewhere in the middle. I think I will add the rest of it. It's 4 liters in total.
Check.
Yes, it's perfectly at the highest level. So 4 liters, it's okay.